Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about that while loop, right? So now in this video, I want to discuss about another loop, that is the do while loop. So why you use that while loop and why you should use that do while loop. So in this video, everything will be more clear to you. Like first of all, I want to run one of the while loop. Right now for loop we don't need this. I just simply remove it. So that will be just like our this while loop, only they have some of the structural different. I show you like for the while loop what exactly I have done. First in our while keyword, before this while keyword I simply initialize our value, right? Now I want to do the same things like here. That will be also needed. That is a late. I want to initialize with another variable name as a service. Okay, this type of another service, and I initialize with the 1. And then that will be as a do keyword, and into this do keyword area here we have to add that curly bracket. Into this curly bracket area, that will be the same our index and then index, but I copy both of this and I paste it. That means our console log that will be print. Now that is our name as a service, so that will be a service, and this service will be as a incremented with 1 right? That is our incremented operator, and then that is one of the condition, right? So now this condition will be in our while area, that is a do and then the while. Okay, that is our do while, and into this do while area here I want to add this condition. Okay, here that will be our condition. So into this condition area, that is our initialized value as a 1, and this initialized value will be as a less than or equal to 5. That means for the 5 time this will be run, right? Now if you click as a save all, I make it as a hi Udemy. Okay, I make it as a hi Udemy. Now click as a save all. Now refresh it. Now you can see that is the same result as a hi Udemy 1 2 3 4 5, right? Perfect. So what exactly the difference between both of these? I show you here what exactly I have done. First of all, I initialize with the index 1, right? And then in our while loop area, that is our condition. But here right now, if you want to make it as a 100, then our this condition is not appropriate, right? That is not that less than or equal to 5, because that is 100. So then that will be print nothing. I show you, like if you click as a save all, and now if you go here, now click as a before it's display as a hi Kazi for the first time. Now click as a refresh. Now you can see it's not print anything. Okay, here it's not print anything. But in our do while loop area, here if you want to make it as a 100, okay, if you want to make it as a 100, for the first time that will be load. Okay, I show you, like is a save all, go there, click as a refresh. Now you can see it's not showing as a hi Udemy 100. That means our first initialized value is printed, right? And if you want to add that how many times, that means this condition, here I want to load this our console log again. Okay, after that I load this console log, and into this console log area here I want to pass out this service. Okay, now everything will be more clear. Now click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh, now you can see it's now display as a 101. That means that is our 100, and then automatically it's incremented. That means our first all that whatever the things you will be do in here, that will be run, and after that will be check our condition. Okay, when this condition is, you can see this condition is not appropriate, because here I have already put that our service value as a 100, but in our service I name it as a less than or equal 5. So this condition is not perfect, but is also printed that value, right? You can see it's printed that value. That means our this statement is working, and then after that is actually break it. Okay, but here for the first time when it will be checked in our while area, when this condition will be not appropriate, then that is break it in here. For the reasons it's not printing anything. Okay, for the reasons you can see hi Kazi, those here they have no hi Kazi. Because of all our condition is not appropriate, it's break our total loop in here. But in do while loop area, that will be run minimum for the 1 time. Okay, so that is the actually difference between both of this as a while and then do while. I hope friend you get some of the idea about the do while loop, and also what is the difference between the while loop and the do while loop. I hope it's very much clear to you. In our next video, I want to discuss about that for in loop. I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.